In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add your Twitter feed to your website. Are you ready? Let's go. In order to add your Twitter feed to your website, the first step is to head over to publish.twitter.com and you'll arrive on a page that looks like this. You'll notice here that there are a number of options that you can choose from: a collection, a tweet, a profile, a list, a moment, a likes timeline, a handle, or a hashtag. So really, there are a number of ways right away that you can choose to customize your Twitter feed. I'm just going to start with my Twitter handle. So I'll enter that and click enter. Next, I can choose to either embed timeline or Twitter buttons. I'm going to choose my timeline. And you'll notice when I do that, my timeline shows up down below. Now, I don't want to include this entire long timeline on my website. So I can go ahead and customize this further under the Set Customization Options tab. And you'll be able here to choose your height, your width, a light background, or a dark background. And you'll see this is dark. For my website, I want to choose light. I'm going to choose 600 pixels and see if that allows me to see one tweet. Right, so I think that looks good. And then width, I'm just going to leave that as default. You can also choose to set your default link color if you don't want to go with the native blue. So I'm going to go ahead and add my link color, and you'll see that when I add my branding color, that the link changes so that it looks great on my page. And when everything looks good, you can hit update. Next, the HTML code will be automatically populated for you, and you can just go ahead and click copy code, and the code is copied to your clipboard. Now let's head back to my website so that I can add this code with my Twitter feed right on my website. This website was built in WordPress, and I'm using a page builder called Beaver Builder, which I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button there and find a nice little place to place our Twitter feed. For now, I'm going to add it. Drag a couple rows here, and then my HTML code, I'm going to copy and paste here. I've added my Twitter feed to my page. It's that easy. If you have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos from me, go ahead and hit that notification bell below and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to chat with you more. Hey guys, my name is Jennifer Franklin, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Each week, I'll bring you a brand new video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. See you later.